Hi all, welcome back to our new video. Today we are going to learn on how to stitch a single katori as well as a double katori. So first let me tell you about a single katori. In a single katori there is a first part, then there is a katori part where we are going to put one dart here, and then we are going to assemble the yoke part. Now, when it comes to the double katori, there is one part here, and the katori is split into two sections, and then the yoke has been generated. Now, if you don't know how to cut katori or double katori, then you can comment us so that we can make a video on drafting of single katori as well as a double katori. So in today's video, we are going to understand the stitching process of the front part of the single katori, and in a part 2 video, we are going to assemble and stitch the double katori part. So let's move on to the sewing machine right now. Hi all, welcome back again. Today we are going to stitch a single katori. So in this, if you can see here, there is one side part and there is one katori part here, and we have a dart here, and after which we are going to do the yoke finishing. So in this video we are only going to finish the front one side part of the katori. So let's begin. So the first step is we have to put the dart here. So as you can see that I have given the notches here, and I'm going to keep it like this, match the notches and hold the point here and start stitching from the end point till the apex point. I hope now you can see clearly. I'm giving a rounded shape here, and if you want a double stitch, then you can rotate and restart the stitching again. So that's it. So once my katori part is ready, so then you can see that I have to align it with this portion. So now to do that, I'm going to keep it like this. You can either start from the bottom or you can start from the top. So here I'm starting it from the top. So you can start stitching whichever way you are comfortable. The most important part is you have to match the yoke properly. So if I can see, the katori part is ready, and now I just have to attach the yoke part. So I have to attach the yoke part. So the first step is I need to finish the yoke part from the bottom. So let's say that I'm putting a stitch of 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to open it like this and put an under stitch here so that it folds neatly. So the next step which comes is I need to attach the yoke part over the blouse part. Once I've kept it like this, I'm going to turn it like this, and you can start the stitching from the edge or from the start. Okay, so now the next part, as if you have seen my previous videos, then you know that we are going to roll it like this and keep it here and take this portion over this, hold it nicely like this, and we are going to put our final stitch for concealing of the yoke part. Make sure that you match it properly. So that's it. Now I'm going to take it out from So now this is how your single katori is going to look like. So let me keep a cup inside of this also. So this is one single katori, and beside this I'm keeping the double katori so that you can see the difference in the both. So this is a double katori and this is a single katori blouse. Thank you.